Well, welcome to the tutorial. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to look at how to cut up a clip in Davinci Resolve 17. This is the free version and this is so easy to do. Now there are two main ways, but today we're going to focus on the edit pane. So what I want you to do is grab your clip and you're going to drag it into this area here, which is the media pool. This is where you'll sit everything, audio clips, visuals, etc. Drag it in there. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drag from this top left part here into the timeline. And mute this. There we go. So now you'll see the clip there. This is from another video of mine. But how do we actually edit clips? Now what you'll see here is this icon called the blade tool. Now this is what you're going to use to cut up your clips. Now you can select that or just hit B on the keyboard and you'll get this little icon here. Now you just need to scroll through, find whereabouts you want to actually cut the clip. I want to cut around where this white part is. So let's go there and blade. Now to go back to the select tool, you can come up here and select the selection mode or hit A. So hit A. And I'm just going to click this now and delete. Now, thankfully, it automatically does the ripple for us, and ripple being it removes the space. So now I have this clip. Now you can continue to do that. You can cut it wherever you want, split it up multiple parts, cut out the areas you don't like, and again, hit A to select them, and just go ahead and delete what you don't want. And so that's how you quickly cut up some clips in Davinci Resolve 17. Give it a go. If this was helpful, drop a comment and leave a like. That would be greatly appreciated. But I hope you have a fantastic day and thank you so much for watching. See you later.